than 100,000 people took to the streets of Cairo today. This time they were there to support the new president and his bold move to give himself sweeping powers. From Egypt, NBC's Jim Maseda now with the latest on that showdown.
This was President Morsi's day. Tens of thousands of his Muslim Brotherhood and other Islamist supporters packed the streets outside Cairo University, looking more like a political rally than a protest. They needed to show up in big numbers to slow the opposition's momentum and did not disappoint. I think the numbers you see today show the true legitimacy is with President Morsi, he said. They applauded Morsi's controversial decree giving him near absolute power, as well as a draft constitution which human rights experts warn could seriously limit freedoms of speech, religion, and women's rights. They are against Islam and don't want Islamic law, said this protester. We want Islamic law. While clashes between pro- and anti-Morsi protesters in Alexandria left at least a dozen wounded, here in Cairo, one of the largest Islamist demonstrations ever was peaceful. Meanwhile, in Tahrir Square, several hundred tired Morsi opponents tried to keep up their spirits. Mohammed Saidi has lived in a tent for 9 days and remains defiant.
We keep to ask our rights from the president.
The opposition promises an indefinite campaign of mass protests, strikes, and civil disobedience until Morsi rescinds his decree and annuls the draft constitution. These protesters, secular and liberal, have this message for the world.
We are not going to accept a new dictator ruling us anymore.
But tonight, in a special ceremony, Morsi accepted the final draft constitution from the panel that wrote it, every one of them Islamist, and declared a national referendum for December 15th. Now, immediately after that, opposition leaders said tonight that their struggle would continue, laying the groundwork for more confrontation and violence. Lester?
Jim Maseda in Cairo, thank you.